I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over how to create a new order. An order is the job. Every proof, every part, every payment, and every install day hangs off this one record, so it is worth 2 minutes to open it properly. Everything starts on the orders page. This is your whole shop on one screen. Every job you are working, in the order you are working it. To open a new one, click New Order. First, the family name. This is the name the whole job goes by. It shows on your work orders, your proofs, and every email that leaves the building. Put the family, not the person who happens to be paying. Order type tells MonuCore what kind of work this is. A monument runs through design, proofing, and setting. Mobile engraving skips most of that and goes straight to the cemetery. Pick wrong and the job takes the wrong path through your shop, so this one matters. Lead source is how you find out what is actually bringing work in. Fill it in every time, and in 6 months, your reports will tell you whether that advertising is paying for itself or not. A phone number is required, and for good reason. When a proof is sitting unapproved and the install is next week, this is the number somebody in your office is going to call. Proof required decides whether this job can move forward before the customer has signed off on a drawing. Leave it on for monument work. That switch is the thing standing between you and cutting the wrong name in granite. You can attach a customer record now if they are already in your system, or leave it and come back. The order works either way, but you will want a customer on it before you invoice. Notes are for the things that do not fit in a field. Whatever you would have written on the back of the folder goes here, where the whole crew can see it instead of just you. Create order, and that is the job open. There it is on your orders list with its own order number. That number and the family name travel together everywhere in MonuCore, on the invoice, on the work order, in the email subject line, so anyone in the shop can find the job from any piece of paper. That is the job open. From here you can price it, add the parts, upload a proof, and send it to the customer. And the next videos in this series take each of those one at a time.